Hey guys, today I want to talk to you real quickly about some of the features of Nextgen Gallery, which is a great management tool for managing your images and keeping them organized. As a general rule, you want to try to use Nextgen Gallery rather than the media library for your images. It's just much more organized, and if you're going to be adding images long term, it's just a better way to control those and keep them in a logical order. So you go over here to the right where it says Gallery, and that is your Nextgen Gallery, and the two main features that you need to be concerned about are adding galleries/images and managing your galleries. So first thing I want to do is go to Manage Gallery, and we'll look at the two folders that I currently have in here. If you wanted to get rid of one of these folders, you would hit Delete over on the right hand side. But we'll just go into the social icon transparent folder, and this shows you all of the images that I have in there. You can, if you've got a rotator that's rotating through images, you can select this folder in the rotator, and then you can select images that you want to exclude from the rotation if there are a few of them that you wouldn't want to have in that rotator. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at the Add Gallery/Images option. So the first thing that pops up is this dialog here where you can upload images, is the default. And we're going to select a gallery, and you know what, first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add a new gallery. So we switch to the Add New Gallery, and the new gallery is going to be Temp Gallery, and you hit the Add Gallery button, and that gallery has now been created, and it goes back and you notice the message up here that was created. So now when I pull this drop down, there is a temp gallery, and I can upload some images. So we're going to hit the Browse button. Dialog box pulls up, and if I hold the Control button down while I'm using my mouse, I can select multiple images to add to this gallery. So we'll hit the Open, and now it shows that those three images are selected, and I will hit the Upload Images button, and those three images have been successfully added. Excuse me, it's still going through its gyrations, but there, three pictures successfully added. Now if we go back to the Manage Gallery, we have a new folder called Temp Gallery, and it has three images in it, and we can go in there and we can look at those three images that have been added. And there are the three images. If we wanted to resize these images, here's another great feature. We can select the checkbox up here. It'll select all of the images, and we can do a group function of resizing images and hit Apply. And let's say that I wanted to make these 64 by 64. All I do is hit the OK button, and it will start processing that, and it will resize all three images to these 64 by 64. Now if you notice, they're not exactly 64 by 64. What it does is it keeps the aspect ratio of the image, and it selects the larger of the two numbers, and then it reduces the other one proportionately. The next feature I wanted to show you is the adding an entire folder or group of images using the zip folder function. So we're going to go back to Add Gallery/Images, and in this case we're going to upload a zip file. Now it gives you a couple of options here in the drop down. You can add a new gallery, which will use the name of the zip file to create a new gallery, or you can select an existing folder to add images to out of that zip file. But we're going to add a new one in this case. And I'm going to browse again, and I have a zip file here called White Magic that has several images in it, and I'm going to hit Start Upload. Now, as you know, or as you notice, up here at the top it says that the gallery was successfully created, 46 pictures successfully added, and the zip file was successfully unpacked. Now if we go back to the gallery, to manage gallery, we will have a new folder in here called White Magic Cheth Studios, and it has 46 images in here, and you can click on it and you can see the individual images that were added to this folder. If I wanted to delete one of these images, all I would have to do is select that image or multiple images and go down and hit the delete image. Notice you also have a rotation option and add tags, delete tags, overwrite tags. But the big thing is for bulk actions you can delete a group of images if you wanted to delete multiple images. You do that and just hit the apply button. Next thing we're going to do is, real quickly, I'm going to show you using these images now that they're in there to add them to a post. So we're going to go down to the posts that I have on my website, and we're just going to go to the first one, and I'm going to put my cursor, and I had already created one, but I'm going to put my cursor at the beginning of this, and right here next to the upload insert there's a double box here, and we're going to click on that, and one of the options here is Nextgen Gallery. So we're going to go to the gallery, we're going to select the White Magic Gallery, and that pulls up all the images, and notice we've got multiple pages of these images. So I can select a image that I would like, and we're going to go full size and insert into post, and there you have it. This image has been added to the post. Hope that's been helpful, and have a great day.